One of the executive vice presidents of the Trump Organization, better known as Donald Trump's son, Donald Jr., took the stand in his father's civic fraud case in New York on Wednesday. When he entered the courtroom, Donald Trump Jr. was in a very jovial mood, making jokes with reporters and smiling for the cameras, but his attitude shifted slightly when he took the stand for about 90 minutes. When the company's accounts came up, he often tried to distance himself from the proceedings, saying, "I don't recall," or that other people often handled the books. Now, that is consistent with what he said in depositions in the past, and ultimately it will be up to the judge, who has deep knowledge of the case and also the law, as to whether he believes that Donald Trump Jr. truly doesn't recall. Now, remember, in this trial in New York, Donald Trump himself has already been found guilty of civil fraud. That means he was either inflating or devaluing the company to receive loans or tax breaks that were favorable to him. The evidence apparently proved that he was guilty beyond reasonable doubt, and that a trial for that wasn't needed. This trial now is trying to determine whether $250 million worth of damages should be given to the state of New York, or whether that should be more or less. So far, we've heard from around a dozen witnesses, including accountants and employees of the Trump Organization. And next week, the other Trump children will take the stand as well, Eric and Ivanka, before Donald Trump himself will also take to the stand. Now, this trial could be the end of Trump's business in New York. That is on the line, striking at the heart of the image that Donald Trump has tried to cultivate over several decades.